Guys, he is a 1/18 scale Nissan GTR R35 with a LW Liberty Walk kit. This is, I believe, in tribute to Paul Walker. If he would have still been alive, probably this is the car he would be driving. As you can see in the back, it says Paul. But since Alito does not have the authority to sell Fast and the Furious, stuff, they'll never, I guess, market as a Fast and the Furious vehicle. But this is almost what Paul Walker would have drove if he was still alive. It does come with a big wing on the back. It's still in the box. Here it is. I'm not going to take it out, but you can put it on the back. What I've done is also install working lights in this car. As you see, it's a right-hand drive car. Very detailed interior. Runs off a 1.9-volt battery. This is the on-off switch right here. When a battery needs to be replaced, you have to remove 4 screws. 2 on the back and 2 on the front. So let me turn the lights on so you can see. So we have some 4 super bright LEDs, 2 on each side, and the ambers on the top, just like the real car would have had. I've added some, oopsie, there goes the box. I'll get it up. I've added some blue. Give me 1 second, let me lift the box up. All right, so you got some interior blue lights to highlight it, to match the blue markings on the outside. I've also added some undercarriage lights, like neon style lights. And on the back, you have the 4 LEDs for the tail lights. And for the exhaust, I've added a total of 4 LEDs. That looks like it's backfiring, it's throwing flames. This is the new thing now, cars throwing flames. Let me open this door as well. So again, it's the right-hand drive, blue interior lights. All right, guys, it'll be up on eBay. My eBay name is 6877 Mercedes. Again, please ask all questions before you bid. This is the only one that I currently have. I just bought one just to try it out, see if he's going to be interested in it. If more than one person bids, then I'll order some more. If not, then this is going to be the only one that I offer. All right, guys, thank you very much.